Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create your account on Teepublic in 2024. So I'll walk you through the process of creating an account from signing up to setting up, as example, your profile. I'll guide you step by step to get your store up and running. So let's just go and create your Teepublic account right now. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave browser. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, you can simply just go to the URL section and type I already have an account, so if I go to this URL right now, they will just get me into account. So I'll just go and open a incognito. So here, I'll just go and type Teepublic. For you, just keep on your browser and type teepublic.com. Once you do so, this will take you into this home screen or main screen. Right here, all you need to do, just go to the top right corner and click on create your account. So once you click on create your account, you'll find yourself here. So you either have to fill up those informations by your own, or you can use this continue Facebook option if you have a Facebook account. So if you go and click on that as an example, if you're already logged in, that's good. If not, make sure to log in into your account. And of course, once you're logged in into your account, you'll find like this. So option, so make sure to click on continue. And it should just go and create your account. So for me, as example, because as I said, because I already have an account, this will be rejected. So basically, just for you, this is an option if you want to. And other way is simply filling up your information by your own. Starting by your first name as examples. I'll just go here and fill that. So last name as example, why not that? And here email address. So I'll just use another email as example as I have, I guess this one. So we'll just go do that at gmail.com. And then of course you'll have to select a country. Make sure to go and select that. And here you'll have to go and create your password. Make sure it's between 8 and 128 characters long. It should include at least one number. It should include at least one uppercase letter, include at least one lowercase letter, and include at least one special character. So go and create the following password. I'll just do this, and this, why not? Then confirm that password. Like that. And here, you'll have to go and check this or uncheck it. It's up to you. Because what does that mean? Basically, yes, I'd like to advertise my products in off-site marketing. What is off-site marketing? Basically, here you can read about it out. So, for example, to bring more of your customers to your artist shop and drive more of your sales, you can choose to advertise your product through off-site marketing on third-party ad platform. This means you can automatically include your products and ads across the web that your customers can find on other sites. We've introduced new settings, so you can choose to promote your products on third-party sites. So if you want that, you can check it out. As you can see, how does site marketing work? You can pause the video and read everything about it. So just keep scrolling down slowly so you can pause the video and read it out. Good. So for me, as an example, yeah, I want that. Why not? Then go and click on create my account. So once I do so, as you can see, they will send you an email verification. For example, an email has been sent to you with a verification link. So please click on that link to verify it's your account. So if you haven't received, of course, your verification email, just please enter your account email and send it again. So what you'll need to do, of course, just go and check now your email provider, which is in my case example Gmail. So you can go that or there, and basically I'll just go and try to connect into my account. And here, as simple as that. And yeah, I'll just go to my phone in here to verify it's me. Why not? Yeah, right here. Yes, it's me. And press the number 1. And yeah, it should be connected. So now, not now, I don't want that. So let's just see, Teepublic. No, not this one. And yeah, confirm. So I'll just go and click on activate your account. Once I click on that, as you can see, my account will be activated. Now, all I need to do, just go to this account option, click on login, and of course we'll need to log in into that account. So I'll need to go and enter those informations out that I just created my account with. Right here, the password, and click on login, and I should be logged in into my account. So I can just go now to my account and click on the bottom here, sell your art, and this should take me right here. So here, now you can simply select the type that you want to upload. You can single file upload and edit one design at a time, or you can bulk upload files to quickly add designs. So for me, I'll just go with the single upload option. Yeah, this is good. So the store name, what should we put about the store name? So omics, omics as example, designs. Why not? Yeah, take me to the uploader. Why not? This is great. So now all you need to do, just go and drop your art in here. So just go and click on it. And as you can see, you'll have to choose the art example that you want to upload. Maybe this one. Why not? I'll just go and click on it. And that's I want to use for my arts. So yeah, it should be like around this. I don't think like I have pictures like that. Yeah, this will not work as well, right? Let's just check. I don't think it will work, but I'm just checking. Anyway, okay. So your image isn't large enough to support all. Okay, so it's good at least. So okay, I'll just let it as it is. Now you can simply just start giving like design title, main tag as example, description, support tags as well. So I don't know, test scene, descriptions. So test scene again, and you can choose if you want to have some t-shirts, hoodie, other stuff as well. You'll be able to have it. Choose colors, anything else. Make sure to read the terms and conditions. Check that you have read and agree in them. Then click on publish. And no. So click on publish. Okay, so we'll need to choose at least colors, it seems, or what? I don't know. What was that again? So we must choose color for phone cases and accessory. Okay, so let me just go and remove everything. I'll just delete then the t-shirts and choose like for this asphalt. Click on publish. Should be good to go, right? Yeah, this is good to go. So as you can see, we published our first design. And yeah, we published our new design, we created an account, and that's the idea of this video. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.